channel. Today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. It is super echoey in here. I feel like I can't talk that loud and all I hear is me echoing in the background. So I apologize in advance for that. But I'm so excited to give you a tour of our new empty apartment. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, so there's a lot of space, which I'm super excited about, to have more space. And this just felt like the perfect first apartment for Eddie and I to move into before we got married. So with that being said, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below. Let's just get into the tour. Okay, so you walk in through the front door here and we have the garage. I'm not gonna show you that, but we have our garage here. And then right here is our first bedroom, which has so much light in it. I cannot believe they have like these huge windows, which are so pretty, and there's just so much natural light coming in here. This is gonna be the office, my office slash like Eddie's gaming room. So I think it is going to be so nice. So we get all of this natural light, which will be so nice to have for filming. And I love having natural light. So I'm so excited. It's the perfect space for like a cute little cozy chair, a rug, a nice little desk. There's like this little closet in here, which will probably be our coat closet, I'm guessing, or I'm not really sure, just like maybe for overflow of extra clothes or storage. Like I know I have my studio lights that I'll probably put in here. I don't know, but it's really nice to have an extra closet. This is our kitchen, which I love. It is so beautiful. It's a little bit dark because we only have like one big window back there, so it's kind of dark in here. But when I turn on this light, it's just a little yellow, but I'm gonna get some like white tinted lights and I think it'll be super pretty then, just to have extra light and stuff. But I love this kitchen so much. It is so big, so spacious. I think we're gonna do like a little bar cart here. Eddie really wants a bar cart, so I think we might do like a cute little bar cart here. We have all of these cabinets, so we have like a ton of storage. I don't even know if we have enough stuff to like fill all of these cabinets and stuff with, but super excited to have all of that. I think we'll put like maybe a huge rug here or something. Like the kitchen is just really spacious, and the floors are just like super pretty. They just put in new floors and I love them. And then we have our dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, which I'm super excited about. I actually did not think that we were going to have these. I thought they were going to be different appliances, so I was so happy when I walked in and I saw that they were actually stainless steel, just because I feel like stainless steel looks really nice. That's our kitchen. This is just a tiny little closet. I think this is supposed to be the pantry, but I don't know. It's kind of like hard to get in there, so I don't know what we'll put in there. Because then we have this, which is our laundry room. I feel like this is kind of an odd place to put it, but heck, it works for me. I'm cool with it. It hides in here, so we have the hookups. We have to get a washer and dryer. And then we have more storage up here, which we'll probably put our laundry stuff on. And honestly, we might put some food and stuff in there, but like, I don't know. Is that weird to have laundry stuff and food? I don't know. We will see. But there's our laundry stuff. Then we go into here. The lighting is just really yellow. I don't know why yellow lighting like really bothers me. I just really like crisp, white, clean lights. So I'm probably gonna change out those lights also. But this is just like our, I don't know, water heater or whatever the heck it is. And then we have some shelves in here. This will be the guest bathroom, or just like our extra bathroom. So we have this super big mirror. It's super cute. Our little sink, some cabinet storage down here. I believe this opens, like, yeah, there we go. This opens up for even more storage. And then we have another bathtub. I doubt that we'll use this. I'm kind of planning on just using this as like our bathtub, like for me to get baths in when I just want to chill and relax. So we have this bath, and then we go through here and it opens up into our living area and our, what's this called, like a bar. What's this called, like an island counter space? I don't know. We're gonna get bar stools for this, and this is where we're gonna like eat and stuff. It'll be like our dining area. So I found some super cute bar stools on Target. I actually only got one for right now, but I think we'll end up getting 4, and I think 4 will fit perfectly on this little wall. I think it'll look really cute, and I just like the look of bar stools and stuff, and I love sitting to eat at bar stools, so I think that'll be really nice. I just really like this space right here, and I also really like the color of the countertops. It's like a tan color, which I just think is a nice little accent. And then we have our living room, which I'm also really excited about. I know I just keep saying that, but I'm excited about everything. We also have vaulted ceilings, which I feel like just makes it look even bigger and even more open, but we have a big couch that we'll put here, a little rug, and then our entertainment stand will probably go somewhere over here. But I love how this space is just like so big and open, so I feel like there's just a lot of different things that we can do with it. This is probably the space I'm like most excited to decorate and stuff. I just love it so much. It's literally like a blank canvas. That is our living room space, and then leads into our master bedroom, which again, super bright. It's not quite as bright as the office, which actually works out because it's our bedroom. So we have our master bedroom. Our closet is in here, which I am so excited about because it is literally huge. I don't know where there's a light switch. So lots and lots of space in here to hang stuff up. This is so much bigger than the closet that I have now, so I will be able to fit so many clothes in here. It's actually probably going to be dangerous because I'm just going to buy more stuff since we have more room, but I love that we have like a huge walk-in closet. I've never had one of those before. But anyway, this is our bedroom. All that's really going in here is our bed, my nightstand, and like our dresser. So there's not a ton going in here, and it's kind of nice that it doesn't get as much sunlight in here compared to the front office room because we'll just be like sleeping in here and stuff. But I don't really know how I'm gonna organize the space yet. Like, I don't know if I feel like I'd probably put my bed here and like my dresser over there. I don't really know. I'm kind of undecided on that one. But then we have the bathroom attached to our bedroom, which again, I know I keep saying I'm just so excited about all of these fun things that I've never had before. So this is our master bath. Again, a ton of storage. I love these drawers to be able to put stuff in. I can put stuff under our cabinet, which will be nice. A lot of storage and stuff up here, a huge mirror, which we love. And then I really like this shower because it's literally like a stand-up shower instead of a shower in the bathtub like the other bathroom that we have. That is pretty much an overview of the bathroom. Nothing crazy in there. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Here's like one last good little overview of it. I just love it so much. I seriously could not be happier. I could not be more excited. Eddie has yet to see this place. We've seen like videos of it, but like I said, this looks totally different than what I saw in the video. We have new updated appliances. The flooring looks different. The carpeting looks different because they put in new floors. So I think he's going to be shocked and so excited when he comes in and sees this. Yeah, I'm just so excited for this next chapter of our lives and to be having a new place, a place that I'm like so excited about. Of course, I'm gonna be homesick. I already know that, but I'm just really excited to start decorating and moving in and moving on to this next chapter in our lives before we get married. That's pretty much it for my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you're subscribed to follow along for all of the moving vlogs that I have coming your way and to see how I decorate the place and all of that fun stuff. I'm so excited to share all of those videos with you guys. All of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.